Okay, now that we have our color, we're ready to look at our words and change our words and what they look like. So I want to go ahead and right now I have my title page where I have by Rachel from P111 or whatever class you're in. I can click on that. Now, if I click at the front, I'm at the very beginning of this. But with my mouse, if I click and I hold down and I hold down all the way till I get to the end, and then I let go, we call that highlighting. Go ahead and pause the video and try highlighting your name so that it turns blue. And then come back here and we'll keep going. So when I highlight my name, I can change how it looks. I can go, if I highlight my name, so I click, hold down, I need to find the A with a line under it. Go to your and find the A with a line under it. When you do, come back here and continue the video. So when I find the A with a line under it, that means I can change the color. Now, we did light colors for the background. If we change the color for our writing, we're going to use a dark color. So I'm going to use a dark purple. That way we can see it much better if it's a dark color and the background is a light color. I can also go to where the numbers are. This is the size of how big my writing is. Notice my words are still highlighted in blue. I'm going to go up to where the number is, where it says, and I'm going to click, and I can choose. If I make it, I can make it 30, which is a little bit bigger. If I click back on the number, I can make it 24, which is a little bit smaller. We don't want to make it too big. No. We don't want it to be bigger than our title. Okay? And we don't want it too small either, because otherwise we can't see it. So, I think a good one is around 30 or 36. Now you go ahead and go to your name and change the color to a dark color, and you can make the size a little bit bigger, but not too much. And then come back here to watch the video. Now I'm ready for the next part. I'm going to go to my second slide, the slide that says a number 2. And I'm going to do the same thing as I did before. I'm going to click so I see this box, but I'm going to click and I'm going to hold down so I have all the words are highlighted. They have that blue around them. This time I'm going to make them bigger first. I'm going to try that, and that's a pretty big enough. If I make it too big, then the words go off the page, and that's not good. So I'm going to go back and make sure that I keep all my words on the page. Oop, that's still too big, so that we can read all the words. Then I'm going to make sure that I'm going to highlight again, and I can go to my A and I can choose a color. So I'm going to choose a dark color so that I can see it. I've chosen a color. If you want, you can make it so there's an arrow, click and pull in a little bit. And now it's all set for you. We have our materials all ready. Go ahead and pause the video, and now you make your materials bigger, and you change the color to a dark color. Now that we have the first 2 slides, we're going to go to our step slide, number 4. So click on number 4. So again, I need to click where the writing is, and I'm going to click at the beginning. I'm going to click and hold down so it's all highlighted blue. I'm going to make it bigger first, so I'm going to click, I'm trying a big number. Now, if that happens, I need to go and I need to make this blue box longer. So I'm going to click, or I'm going to find where this corner, make it so that's 2 arrows. I'm going to click and I'm going to hold down and pull it out so that it goes to the end. Good. Now I can click again, hold down, hold down, hold down to make it highlighted. And I'm going to change the color to a dark color so that I can see it. Okay? So now I have my first step already finished. Go ahead and pause the video and you make your size bigger on your step and change the color to a dark color. Now I'm going to do that same thing and I'm going to do it on my second step. So I'm going to click on the second one and I'm going to do the same. Click, hold down, hold down, hold down, highlight, make it bigger. And if I need to, I'm going to make it so the arrow's in that middle and click, hold, pull it out. Okay? And I can make this box bigger so everything fits. If that's still too big, I can highlight it again and make it a little bit smaller, and that's okay too. Okay? Now I'm ready to color it, and I'm going to find a dark color. Go ahead and pause the video and make it a dark color and make the words bigger. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with the next step. So I'm going to click on 6, click on the words, click, hold down, hold down, hold down. I'm going to go make it bigger, size bigger. And I need to pull it out so it's bigger if I need to. Click on the A to make the color. And now I'm ready for the next one. Go ahead and do your next step. And finally, I'm ready for the last step. So I'm going to click on number 7, click on the words, click before. Okay, if I need to, I can also click at the end and highlight, highlight, highlight. Make it bigger. I can pull it out so that it all fits in there. And then I'm going to make a darker color. Okay, you can always change the color if you want to as well. And now you are finished with changing the color and the size. You go ahead and make sure you have all the colors and sizes all finished.